What's cracking, guys? So today, welcome back with another video, and today it's more mini mods. So we've got the bonnet open because today we're looking to get this off with this kind of chrome, and then also we need to get the bumper off because we're looking to take off literally this section here. So I've started taking the bumper off because it can be a bit of a pain. I literally thought that was going to drop on my head just then. Anyway, so basically there's a bolt we've taken off here. There's one here. We've loosened that one off there. We need to get to this one as well. And then underneath there's about 7 screws, and I'm kind of glad that I already started doing this because some of them are just rusted. A screwdriver wouldn't go in. It was just a pain in the backside. So I'm going to get the bumper whipped off, and I'm also going to get that bit done off up here. For this bit up here, it's not even that hard as well. You basically just got to push these through here, and then you basically just have to get these little I don't, you know, look like a little, looks like actually like a nut or something, but it's, I don't really know what that is. But yeah, so got to get them off as well, and then once that's all off, I will show you what we're left with, and I'll show you the goods that are going on. Okay guys, nearly another classic Dom error. So you don't need to set the bumper off for this, but I put it all back on now. But actually it was not a bad thing, because a while ago I actually bought this. So I bought like a replacement kit of like bolts and nuts and stuff. So actually, by taking off the old rubbish bolts, and trust me guys, these ones were absolutely trash. Like, let me try and find you one. There you go. Good start of this. Let me turn that around. Is it going to focus? Anyway, you can see how bad that looks, right? Anyway, so that's how bad it looked. So I've replaced that all underneath. We now have brand new bolts that are nice and secure, and then I've even replaced this one this side as well. So the other one, the other side was done, which is why I bought the pack, because actually, tell a lie, the other one, the other side, this one, was missing when I bought the car. So I bought the whole pack purely for that, and now I've just replaced all the bolts underneath. So in a way, not a bad thing. What I have started doing though is taking this off, and basically guys, if you're unsure, just Google. That's what I did. I was like, it's got to be a better way, and literally there is. All you have to do is get it for this bit anyway, get a screwdriver in here and just pry it away. That's for this main chrome bit here, and then for this bit, once this bit's off, you wedge a screwdriver in here, wedge that first bit away, and then this should hopefully just pull out. I'm going to put the camera down. Like I say, I'm not going to record it, you don't need to see that. Just be careful if you're doing it, because the last thing you want to do is break anything where the new one has got to go in place. So I'm going to whip this off and then get the new one on. Voila, and we have it off. So what you'll see guys as well is there is like this like pad here. It's still a bit sticky, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply a little bit, not much, just a little sort of blob of kind of like tiger seal or something just in the corners. And this is what is going on. So this is part 1. So amazingly, this and the piece that's going up there for the top, 40 quid for both. What a bargain, right? 40 quid. 40 quid to basically get rid of that chrome. So I just got mine off eBay. You can get them everywhere though. So let's basically get some tiger seal on there and get that new bit on there. Okay guys, so things are not going 100% to plan. So when you get this one, because it's obviously not an official one, it's a cheap eBay one, they're not bent. So I've tried heating it up and it's kind of bending a little bit, but yeah, basically what I've done is I've got it into this position. This end has popped in. I've put a little bit of tiger seal around it as well, and I've pushed it in. I'm actually letting that set. I'm not going to move it, because if I now try to pop this in, that end will pop out. So these clips are in up to like here, and the problem is if I heat it anymore, I think I'm going to break the missus hairdryer, and she's not going to be happy with me. So what I am doing is I'm getting these off at the moment. So these little buggers. And honestly guys, I'm not worried about saving them. So all I've done is literally just wedged a tiny screwdriver in there and then I'm just like hammering away and they're just pinging off. Because when you look at the new one, wow, which is this bad boy, they've already got, well, they've got different things on the back, and they're obviously not threaded. And then basically what I did buy, because they come with them, but people have said they're utter trash, I bought my own push nuts. So I'll be putting those on instead, because I think someone said get these, they're a lot stronger than the ones that they come with. So follow people's advice. I might even have to leave this overnight and then try and pop it on in the morning, because I'm just worried about if I try to pop that side in, that one will come out. And like I say, it's just gonna be a back and forth thing. Yeah, pain in the backside really, but we keep going. Okay guys, it's all done. I've managed to put the bonnet down on the latch, and I keep prodding it and poking it, thinking it's gonna come out, and I feel like I've got my mum next to me. You know when you're a little kid and your parents tell you off, like, don't touch that, stop touching it, or when you've got like an itch or something, stop scratching it. That's what I feel like. I keep prodding and poking it and prodding it and whatever else. And you can see how much of an amateur I am, guys. I don't even use gloves when I'm using Tiger Seal. Look at this. That's gonna take ages to get off. But oh well. Let me show you what it looks like, because I think it looks amazing. But before I do, let me just remove my rubbish, the other scruffy bits. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like, because I think it looks amazing. Look at that. I think that looks so good. Like, such a small little thing has been changed, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. But like I say, we didn't get round to doing the belt line kit today. Here comes the neighbour in the old Corvette. We didn't get round to doing the belt line kit today, sadly. Oh, that sounds so naughty. We need to order these as well, and we need to get the roof done. But for today, I think that's amazing. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, how that looks, because I think that looks stunning. I just think it looks great. That car sounds amazing. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, peace out. And while he's backing it in, we're going to finish on some good stuff. See you in the next one. Peace out.